You've probably seen the viral ads claiming the VetiFlow Dog Water Bowl is life-saving, promising to prevent UTIs and kidney disease using its so-called Triple Defense Pro technology and 24/7 freshwater circulation. But when I dug into the details, the story didn't match the marketing. So here's what actually matters before you buy. The bowl itself functions like a basic pet fountain that keeps water moving, which can encourage some dogs to drink more. Nothing revolutionary there, and there's absolutely no clinical evidence proving it can prevent UTIs or kidney disease, despite those bold health claims being repeated everywhere. The statistics shown on the website don't link to any real studies. The glowing 4.8-star reviews appear only on their own sales pages, and none can be independently verified. Even more concerning, the site uses fake media logos from NBC, ABC, Fox, and others to imply coverage that never actually happened, a tactic commonly used in dropshipping funnels to build false credibility. Add in the constant countdown timers, last stock alerts, and endless 50% off sales, and it starts to feel more like a pressure-based marketing machine than a trusted pet brand. Digging deeper into the product reveals it's the same basic fountain sold on Chinese wholesale sites for as low as $5 to $11, simply rebranded and marked up to around $70 with a fancy box and medical-sounding language that means nothing. As for safety and materials, there's no legitimate manufacturer information or real certification documents provided to confirm the medical-grade claims. Refund experiences reported online are inconsistent at best, with slow responses or denied returns. Bottom line, VetiFlow isn't necessarily harmful, but it's also not the miracle health device it claims to be. It's just a standard water fountain wrapped in aggressive hype that makes the price hard to justify.